It's a somber day in the audio amplifier IC community, as Texas Instruments have marked several audio chips as obsolete. I found this out when I got a message from DigiKey saying that some of the components I bought in the past are obsolete. And it happens, but some of these chips were fairly common and very popular with hobbyists who build their own circuits using various ICs. Well, National Semiconductor, who developed a lot of these ICs, were acquired a few years back from Texas Instruments. And being a business, they have to look at their bottom line and decide what they have to get rid of and what stays. Well, one popular chip was the LM3875. Pretty common for hobbyists building a mid-power amplifier. Sad to see it go. The real shocker to me was the LM386. It got axed. It is still available as surface mount, but the very popular and common through-hole component IC has been made obsolete. Now, I should mention that these chips will be available for a while. They're just now noted as obsolete. You won't see it marked on Texas Instruments' site yet because they let their major clients know first, like DigiKey and Mouser. So when you go to those sites, you can find out what's still available. The LM380 is obsolete as well, but I'm not really surprised. It's been around since the early 70s, and I'm surprised it hung around as long as it has. Another shocker to me is the LM4562, very high performance audio operational amplifier. And it's like a gift to the audio community by the engineers to make such a high performance chip. It's gone as a through-hole component, although the surface mount will be around. Also has an LME number, and several other LME part numbers are obsolete as well. It's kind of annoying to me because I like to use these socket boards to build and test circuits. So what you have to do now is fiddle with very small surface mount components and play with solder paste and things. I think it's discouraging to somebody young who wants to get into the game. There's a lot of extra effort now just to play around with these chips. There are little adapter boards that might alleviate some of the pain, but it's just the progression away from through-hole components to surface mount. I think it hurts the experimenting hobbyist community somewhat. Well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching.